There is a glitch in the human brain that causes 90% or more of all New Year resolutions to fail. This is a two-part video, and in these two parts, we're going to see how to make New Year resolutions that stick. This is the last video of 2025, and here we are going to lay the foundation so that next year, which is just actually 3 days away, you can make solid New Year resolutions. If you are new here, I am Bawa, and I help people just like you up spiral their lives to the secrets of sleep, meditation, spirituality, wellness, holistic success. So, what exactly is that glitch in the human brain that we are talking about? It was accidentally stumbled upon by this psychologist called Bluma Zeigarnik. I hope I pronounced that right. She was sitting in this really fancy restaurant. She noticed that the waiters in that restaurant were able to perfectly memorize complex orders. And these waiters could 100% deliver the dish exactly as asked to 100% of the customers. When after the meal she went to talk to the waiters who were serving them, they couldn't remember a single thing about what they served. So this really intrigued her that while they were serving, they could remember, but as soon as the order was delivered, they promptly forgot. Oh, what is going on here? She thought. And this is a tendency of the human brain to remember things that are not yet completed and easily let go of things that have already been done. This is a huge problem. It causes what is called a cognitive itch. The brain continuously reminds you that this is not done, that is not done, you thought of this and didn't start it, you started this but you didn't finish it, and you need to do this and you need to do that, and this mire of thoughts can really freeze your life. Think of it like a web browser with many open tabs. That's what our brain looks like. A web browser with many open tabs. Some of them are frozen, some of them don't work, some of them are not important, and then you don't know where the music is coming from. And I'm sure you have experienced this if you browse the net like I do. Even I have many tabs open on my desktop, and sometimes this causes the system to slow down, and sometimes it even causes the system to crash, or at least the web browser to stop responding. Creating New Year resolutions, new things to do when your system is already stressed, when the prana is already leaking, when that cognitive itch is there, is like trying to build a new house on rubble of an old house. You need a strong, solid foundation to base your New Year resolutions on. You cannot build them on the rubble of 2025 and the years that have gone. So what can you do? And there are 3 simple steps. And this I want you to do now. So find a paper or pen, or open a new tab on your desktop, or even just your notes app on your phone, and get ready. Step 1, list out things that you did do this year. List out things that you accomplished. Remember, the brain kind of dismisses these because they are done. And it's important that you acknowledge them. That tough month where you were unwell but you still managed every single thing that was expected of you. Right? That intention to see our channel and watch all the videos, not just that, but implement what we have said in them. That 108 days of committed regular exercise. That 2 months that you said you will not have any sugar and you didn't cheat. Whatever it was that you accomplished in your life, big or small, I want you to make notes of that. Write them down so that in black and white, your brain can see that, oh my God, I accomplished all this. I did all this. It is an amazing feeling that will come because you do this exercise as the dopamine kicks out and your brain starts rewarding you for all the things you have done. You come across to your brain as a winner, as a person who actually did many things. Do it. Do this right now. Pause the video. Don't even go to the second step. I'll wait. Great. Welcome back. I hope you did step 1. Step 2, consciously letting go, a conscious deletion. There may be some things that you decided that you wanted to do, or some things that you even started doing, and then you thought, I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this in the foreseeable future. Maybe you thought of giving your house a full renovation, and then you thought, maybe it's not necessary. I don't want to do this. Right? Maybe you thought, oh, I'm going to run half a marathon. And then you thought again and said, actually, I'm not ready for it. And I don't even like running. I just got inspired by watching some random YouTube videos. Whatever are the things in your life that you thought you would do, or you even started, but now you no longer wish to do, they are not serving you anymore. Those extra tabs that are open, that you randomly opened because you wanted to check something out, you are curious about something, close them down. Write those out again and then strike them through. Give your brain a message that these tasks are done, that you release them, that you no longer want them. You will find many more of these than you can imagine if you just sit and think about it. And again, I want you to pause this video right now and take a few minutes and think about these tasks that you set for yourself and are no longer serving you, and you want to get rid of them. So put those down, strike them through, and say it aloud, I release these. I don't need to do them anymore. Go ahead, I'm waiting. Fabulous. Welcome back. Step 3, physical declutter. You know, there are things around you that you know you need to clean up, that you know you need to give your attention to, but you kind of keep postponing them. These are really irritating because every time you pass that part of your house or your office, you say, oh God, I need to handle this. Well, go and handle at least one of them right now. That drawer with all those wires and those batteries and those, manuals or things like that, which you have always wanted to clear, do it. That place where you kind of put things which you say you will use later, clear it out. These are all stuck energies in your environment and they stagnate you, they don't allow you to grow. So I want you to go and do a physical declutter, release that energy. And once you have done this, you will feel lighter, more enthusiastic, and so much more looking forward to 2026. Following these 3 steps sincerely can lay a fantastic solid foundation for creating New Year's resolution in just 3 or 4 days. Of course, if you are watching this video later, you can do this anyway. Who says that you have to make New Year resolutions only on the 31st of December or the 1st of January? You can decide when your New Year starts. If you enjoy content like this and you're already a subscriber of our channel, maybe you'd consider membership. If you become members of BawaDinesh TV, you truly support our work and help us reach these videos to even more people. So enjoy that New Year celebration that's coming up, and we will see you right at the beginning of 2026, where I'll tell you how to create New Year resolutions that actually stick. Happy New Year in advance. All the very best.